All right. Big Bird's first book of letters. A is for apples. B is for bananas. C is for cookie. D is for daddy. E is for Ernie. F is for daddy.
Fart.
Fart. G is for Grover.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa. And Grandma.
No, laugh it out.
H is for
Happy.
happy. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kangaroo.
Kmart.
Kmart. L is for lion.
Lame.
Lame. Laugh. M is for monkey.
Auntie Mary.
Auntie Mary. Oh, we missed Auntie Jen and Uncle Brian.
Oh, keep going.
Sorry. N is for nuts.
Nuns.
Nuns. O is for
Obama.
Obama.
No.
P is for penny. Q is for quarter. R is for rubber ducky. S is for
Sherlock.
Sherlock. And Snuffy. T is for
Grandma Cheese.
trees. U is for
Uvula.
umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for Walsh or wizard. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra. And that's Big Bird's first book of letters. Good job, Penny. Yay! Mwah. Love you all. Don't forget to pay a waitress. Mwah.